Welcome to Codifix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how the file not found error is a common error that occurs when a program attempts to access a file or directory that does not exist. Here's an example. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. In this example, the program attempts to open a file called myfile.txt for reading. If the file does not exist, a file not found error exception is raised and caught in the except block. The program will print file not found instead of crashing. To fix this error, ensure that the file you're trying to access exists in the directory you're running the program from, or provide the full path to the file if it's located in a different directory. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel.